Hi guys, I'm Nicole Fick. I hope you're having a really good Thursday. I wanted to talk to you a little bit more about the video that you're gonna see. So it's a series of two videos. So this one is a real set, and I also have a jig set for you. This was taken while I was in Türkiye, in Istanbul, and is in 4 different locations. So 2 for the reel and 2 for the jig, and I've edited them together so that you can kind of see the surrounding area. And the video is of the 4 different places, but the audio, it's live in one of those locations. So you can hear the wind, and you can hear there's water rushing, there's people talking and passing by. But I just really love the experience, and I didn't want to make it like a studio recording. I really kind of wanted to capture kind of like the atmosphere of the place. So it's basically a one take audio and a one take video edited into different locations for each of the videos, and I had a really good time recording it and exploring these areas, and I hope I get to do that more in different places that I go. Let me know if you like it. I just thought it would be quite nice to just keep recording some of the like Irish music in different parts of the world where I am, but kind of like more raw and kind of like a one take thing. So yeah, let me know if you enjoy the series, and if you do, I'll make sure to keep doing those more in different places that I travel. So yeah, I hope you're having a great time. I am here in Germany. Look at that beautiful view. It's so gorgeous. So yeah, thank you so much, and I will see you guys later. Bye bye.